Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: devices, recovery email addresses, and phone numbers. Once done, open Google account sign-in and recovery pages on a desktop or your phone so you can switch tabs quickly. You need passwords, two-step verification codes, or backup codes ready. This speeds up verification and prevents lockouts. Make sure to note which accounts share the same recovery info, because that will help you identify duplicates and linked accounts as you proceed to the next step. Now you actively search. Use the Google account recovery flow by entering each email, phone, or likely alias. Try common typos and previous domains. Once done, check Gmail autocomplete, Chrome profiles, Android settings accounts, and browser-saved logins to surface linked addresses. Make sure to inspect any password manager or keychain for stored credentials, because they often reveal forgotten accounts. If you hit a verification prompt, pause and use your prepared codes or trusted device to confirm ownership before moving on. Finish by marking every discovered account in a list and updating recovery info so you control them going forward. Once done, consolidate by exporting data from duplicates, deleting unneeded accounts, or moving subscriptions to a primary account. Make sure to enable two-step verification on each. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use backup codes or a trusted device first. If that fails, follow Google's identity verification prompts and provide consistent info to reclaim access. This prevents future fragmentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.